So, guys, we have a good question here from one of the audience members. Robert wants to know. He said, where does the panel believe the highest technical and regulatory risks are in the manufacture of ADCs? Anybody want to weigh in on that one?
Ben, why don't you take this first?
Sure.
I have my own idea, but you go first, please. Yeah.
I guess from a regulatory perspective, it a little bit depends on where your innovation is. So it's the regulators. If you're dealing with a new linker payload, that's absolutely where you need to focus most of your attention. The regulators know enough to know where there's going to be problems coming up there. But if your innovation for your ADC is on the protein end and you're driving longer PK and exposure time, then stability and plasma stability and overall product stability and handling become more important. So I'd say the biggest technical risk is in understanding your molecule's clinical profile before you even get to first in human, and putting all the effort into developing a process and control strategy at phase 1 that allows for that. Specifically in the linker payload space, though, I think that's where, for the most part, you need to know that part of the molecule as well as the biology and the antibody, and a lot of folks will choose to leave that part as managed by the CDMO. But the wrong impurity carrying its way forward ruins the whole package on the back end. So that's where I'd put it.
Yeah, Ben, you really are spot on when it comes to linker payload chemistry and analytical methods. We often see that's been underestimated because people have historically used existing linker payload technologies, correct, and have applied that to a different antibody. What we're seeing now is truly novel linker payloads. Jeff, I would even take this a step further. There's a lot of work that has been done in DACs in addition to ADCs. And DACs are truly drug antibody conjugates, where you're not dealing with a cytotoxic agent. You could be dealing with a small molecule, protein degrader. You could be even dealing with like a oligonucleotide that is linked to an antibody. We've seen all kinds of modalities through our consulting company. And just really understanding what the novelty is and focusing on that novelty. But if I had to give like a very high level answer, I totally agree with Ben. Novel linker payloads are typically underestimated.